Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the long-term impact of automation on the world of work. Automation, driven by technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning and industrial robots, is transforming the way businesses operate and people work. The image highlights key opportunities and challenges, from improving productivity to the challenges of inequality and labor matching. If you want to discover how to take advantage of automation's opportunities and mitigate its risks, stay until the end of the video. Opportunities that redefine the future of work can be increased productivity and reduced costs. Automation allows repetitive tasks to be performed faster and more accurately, increasing business competitiveness. For example, Amazon uses autonomous robots in its distribution centers, reducing order preparation times and optimizing logistics. The benefit can be long-term, reducing operating costs and making products more accessible. Innovation and new business models. By freeing employees from routine tasks, companies can focus on developing innovative solutions. One example is UiPath, which uses robotic process automation (RPA) to manage administrative tasks, allowing its customers to focus on analysis and strategic decision-making. The benefit can be the creation of new customized products and services for consumers. Improved quality of life and work-life balance. By reducing the manual workload, employees can spend more time on creative and strategic activities. For example, Microsoft automated mail and meeting management, allowing employees to focus on more value-added tasks. The benefit can be long-term. Automation can reduce work stress and improve employee well-being. Challenges that require strategic solutions may include labor displacement and retraining risk. Automation may eliminate certain jobs, especially in manufacturing and retail. For example, the replacement of manual tasks with robots in automotive factories has created a demand for advanced technical skills, such as robot programming and maintenance. The benefit may be preparing workers with new skills reduces inequality and improves job adaptability. The digital divide and technological inequality. Large companies have more access to advanced technologies than small companies, increasing the competitive gap. For example, large agricultural corporations use drones and advanced machinery, while small farms continue to rely on traditional methods. Changes in organizational structure. Automation redefines job roles, combining technical skills with strategic capabilities. For example, in finance, analysts must master artificial intelligence tools in addition to their traditional skills. This change can create tensions in the organizational culture if not properly managed. Some strategies for a balanced transition may include ongoing training and skills development. Investing in training ensures that employees are prepared to take on more complex roles. For example, IBM offers training in artificial intelligence and data analytics for its employees. The benefit may be that it reduces technological unemployment and promotes career advancement. Public policies to reduce the digital divide. Governments should facilitate access to advanced technologies for small and medium-sized companies. For example, the European Union promotes funds to digitize SMEs in sectors such as manufacturing and agriculture. Foster a culture of innovation and resilience. Companies should promote flexibility, continuous learning and adaptation to technological change. For example, Google encourages experimental projects among its employees, which facilitates the adoption of new technologies. Automation presents both opportunities and challenges. Companies that adopt proactive strategies, invest in continuous training, and foster an organizational culture of innovation will be better positioned to thrive in an increasingly digitized world. If you want to implement balanced automation strategies in your company, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.